In this video, I will show you how to change password in Roblox. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now, to go ahead and change your password on Roblox, what you want to do once you've come across Roblox and logged into your account is you want to come up to the top right hand corner and click onto this gear icon to bring up this menu. Then what you want to do is come down and click on settings, and on your settings you want to make sure you're on account info. So if you come to this menu on the left hand side, you want to make sure you've clicked onto account info, and then what you want to do is come down to the login methods section just down here. Now down here you're going to see your passwords just here, and to go ahead and change this, all you need to do is click this pencil icon next to your password. What you can then do is enter your current password followed by your new password, and then you just want to confirm your new password, and once that's done just click the update button, and that's going to go ahead and change your password. So that is how to change password in Roblox. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.